My name is Zoe Clarke. I'm a fifth-year PhD student in Gary Bader's lab in the Donnelly Center. And I came here from Queen's University, where I did a biology major and music minor. And I really wanted to learn more about what is this computational side of biological research. And so that ended up bringing me to the Department of Molecular Genetics and their computational biology specialization, that department in the University of Toronto. And
What are you researching and what kind of impact are you hoping it can have?
I work on hepatitis B-induced cancer development, specifically in woodchucks. So the woodchuck is a model for hepatitis B-induced cancer development in humans. So individual cells involved in this process have never been studied before in woodchucks. So I've been really working on a project to study individual woodchuck cells and how they respond to this viral infection for the first time. Really working on annotating the first sequence of the woodchuck genome that we had available, and studying their healthy cells and comparing them to diseased cells, and really trying to look at what's going on, what happens when these cells get infected, and why would this lead to cancer development, and can we use this understanding to contribute to any human therapies.
What is the best part of being a graduate student in Temerty Medicine?
It's hard to say what the best part about being a grad student in Temerty Medicine is. A lot of the time, I end up feeling pretty starstruck, I think. Our computational biology department is very good. The people are incredibly nice and the faculty members are very well known and very well respected. So sometimes I will step into an elevator with the Donnelly Center and realize that, oh my gosh, I'm standing beside this person who's done this incredible research, and I just get to have a conversation with them. And I think that kind of opportunity is really incredible.
Outside of school, what are your hobbies or interests?
Outside of school, I'm very involved with the classical music community. So I did a music minor at Queen's University, where I spent a lot of time playing the tuba in orchestras and wind ensembles and brass quintets, and I did a lot of opera singing as well. So Toronto has such a rich artistic community, and I've been able to find a lot of smaller opera companies in the area, and I spend a lot of time performing with them. So I'm involved in a production right now, so a lot of the time I'll spend my full day in the lab, and then I'll go down the road to a theater, and then I'll work on a rehearsal in a theater, and there goes the day, but I love it. I love every part of it, so.
What's something surprising that people might not know about you?
I think most people in graduate school kind of question themselves every once in a while, and I think that's been part of the journey of graduate school, is learning to trust that what you have in your background and your experience is enough, no matter what it is, and that it's always possible to learn and grow.
If you could have dinner with any person, past or present, who would it be and why?
If I could have dinner with any person ever, this isn't going to be related to science at all. This is coming more from my musical background. I think I would love to have dinner with Tchaikovsky. From everything I've learned about him, he sounds like a very incredible and also very nice, inspiring, and talented person, and I would love to learn more about him. And also, I know he was a man who, although he did a lot of great things, he was also filled with a lot of insecurity. And I think it's unfortunate that a lot of people don't, in their life, get to understand the legacy that they leave. And I think it would be really cool to go back and say, look at all these things you've done and look at all these people who love you. And I think that can also be applied to great scientists as well, who also leave an incredible legacy. Just having that opportunity to go back and be like, do you know how important you were? Like, all this stuff that you did was really incredible. So I think that would be very cool.
Backpacking adventure or luxury resort vacation?
Definitely backpacking adventure.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Pineapple on pizza? Yes or no?
Yes, 100% yes.
Dogs or cats?
Dogs.
Fiction or non-fiction books?
Nonfiction. I love learning way too much.
Early bird or night owl?
Early bird.
Sweet or savory?
Sweet.
Summer or winter?
Summer, I think, but that's a hard one.
Comedy or drama movies?
Drama. Yeah, I love getting invested in people's very serious stories, I guess.
Thank you so much, Zoe, for taking the time to speak with us today.
Awesome.